Hello and welcome back to Tamara's Garden. Happy Sunday, how are you all? So I thought of sharing with you some Sunday update of my garden. So ixoras are blooming here. I have the yellow ixora and then this is red, and ticoma flowers here I have in my garden. It's also blooming. So now here I have a plant hanger, and I have a money plant, and there I have a small syngonium. And this is a beautiful hanger I got online. Here are some Winka blooming, and also I have my little roses. They are yet to bloom. And I have arranged these plants here next to my ticoma plant. Look at these bunches of flowers. They are in full bloom, and my Mexican petunia already falling flowers because it's noon now. And here also I have another flowering plant, and I have the umbrella plant here. And Sri Lankan jasmine, no flowers today, but there are some beautiful buds here. They are yet to bloom. I have my peace lily plant here, and right opposite my entrance I have the money plant and Chinese bamboo, and all these green plants are here in front of the entrance. I have the CZ plant, Erica palm, and these all these are in the front yard. And I have a money plant over there, some orchids, and these coleus varieties. Today I thought of doing the garden overview, and the coleus plant video will be coming up next. And some begonias, they all do love shades. Look at this foliage, and look at the bloom. So this is jasmine next to that, and that is also full flowering. My rain lily plants are over here. So I did the garden work today morning, arranged everything in order. And ticoma flowers are flowering here. And I have the ants problem in my ticoma plant always. There are a lot of ants. I have done so many home remedies too, but still, here's the blooms. And there I have my chrysanthemums down there, and so many small shade loving plants under here. They get semi shade. So many plants under the big plants. There are cuttings of plants. Orange jasmine about to bloom, and under this orange jasmine plant I have balsam plants and collection of balsam. And I have some crotons growing over there. That is also from cuttings you can grow easily. There's another one. The lilies are in full bloom, and this is another variety of jasmine.